Hello everyone. We get asked a lot how we travel light, and so I thought I'd do another video. This time we're sharing a very small carry-on for a weekend in Vegas. Tina obviously doesn't want us to go. How small the bag is that the two of us are going to share. And basically it's going to be pretty hot while we're there, and then we have to check out at 11 a.m. and our flight's not till midnight. So we have an entire day where we have to basically walk around with this because we're going to be homeless. I mean, we'll be in restaurants and museums and things like that, but we can't just leave it anywhere. So it has to be light, and we didn't pay for carry-on with the airline, so we're going to sneak this past. So let's do it. This is the toiletry bag. What do we got here? Serum, toothpaste, underarm deodorant wipes. Those are always handy. And then actual deodorant, makeup remover, cleanser, which is travel size. Always need a Band-Aid. This is a charger. This is a flat iron, but it's like a tiny mini flat iron. We'll see how that works. And then SPF, pill box, and I think that should be okay. All right, here's my makeup crap I'm bringing. Then we got headphones, pair of earrings, a necklace, a ring, and then tiny lipstick. The eyeshadow that will act as my mirror. And then this stuff. Always need one of these. And I don't have a small size of this, unfortunately, but what can you do? And then it's all going in this bag. Oh boy, look, it all fit. As Ben said, it's a lot of chick stuff. But I need my chick stuff. All right. Okay, Tina, what do we got? All right, so we got an iPod, a charger, a backup charger, headphones, my sleep mask. I already went over. That's the flat iron. Underwear and socks for 2 days. I got 2 dresses there. What do you got there, Ben?
I've got 2 pairs underwear for the next 2 days, socks for the next 2 days, a second t-shirt besides the one I'm wearing. Only shoes I'm bringing are the ones I'm wearing.
All right.
Just same jeans. Freshly laundered, they'll last the weekend.
So, how is it?
It's fine, heavier than I'd like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. We don't have any shoes or anything in there, but I'm not sure what's causing the weight. Probably the toiletries.
Yep. We have a lot of hair. We can't help it. Should I bring a purse? Because I wasn't going to bring a purse.
I don't want this to be heavier, so no purse.
Well, no, I would carry the purse.
It's up to you. Does this count as a... I don't know what this counts as. I thought you got one free thing. This is small enough to be whatever the free whatever bag is.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so we're all right.
Okay, so we figured out that the weight of the bag is actually from the bag itself. So it's not too bad, is it, Tina? And we're going to be bringing my silk scarf because it gets really cold in casinos because they blast it all the time. Aside from that, yeah, I'm not bringing a purse. I'm bringing a wristlet. And that's it. That's all we're bringing. So that's 2.5 days. Okay, so this is it. This is all we're bringing. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of us. And if anyone's interested, we do have a YouTube video where we split a proper carry-on. If you look under one couple, one carry-on. It's somewhere on there. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Okay, thanks. Bye.